Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. My goodness, what a beautiful day it is today. We got Dark Bro Fid in the chat. What's going on, Dark Bro Ray the Silva? How you doing, man? Dark Bro Ray, Dark Bro Peter. What's going on, all you guys? Thank all three of you for being in here right now. We're gonna go over to Weeble right now. That's not Weeble, and check the market out, see what's happening in cryptocurrencies, in stocks, and the day ended lower for AMC, 1.15%, and down slightly after hours right now, basically sitting sideways. Shiba Inu coin at the moment sitting at 887. This is terrible volume for Shiba Inu coin, literally ticking sideways, doing absolutely nothing. GameStop sitting at 21.61 on the day today. Not a bad gain, 4.45%. Bitcoin sitting at 27,420. All you 420 guys out there, gotta like that price. 27,420. It is up 1.81% on the day. The Nasdaq had a pretty good day today. Some of those bank stocks and bigger tech stocks, they were moving higher as I anticipated earlier today. Not bad at all. The Nasdaq finishing at 12,365 points. Dogecoin sitting at 7.2 cents. Ethereum sitting at 18.28. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 8.87. Bitcoin $27,411. Molinado $1.25. Guys, we got a couple more days. Guys, stay above $1. Sundial sitting at $1.69. You guys like that price too. SPY sitting at 4.12. BBIG $2.32. Highcraft Mining 36.8 cents. Netflix sitting at 335.89. The QQQ 326.79. Ape sitting at $1.64. MPW $7.40. Overall, I would say a tough day for the stocks that we're watching on here, but overall, obviously a good day for the Nasdaq and S&P 500 there, as they both ended in positive territory. We're gonna watch cryptocurrency play out there. Let's see here. You in any of those 2020 plays, like a Blink, Fuel Cell, or any electric vehicles? No, currently I do not have any of those. I was playing Plug for a while. I played Plug for a while, made some money on Plug, and got out as I was trading Plug, swing trading, and I wasn't holding it for a long term. And the most recent trade I had on Plug, I exited, I would say, around, gosh, dude, I think it was $10 or $11. So it has been a few weeks since I've been in Plug, but that would be the only electric vehicle stock that I have been in a while. I've never had any Tesla. I did play I did play Lucid for a minute, but yeah, Plug was the only one that I ever really played in terms of electric vehicles. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro says, stonks, rug pulls, 10% gains, Clay Bros forte. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the King Turkey. I know everybody in here absolutely loves that King Turkey. Really appreciate it. And I think Dark Bro has found a new style. Very, very similar, and if not exactly the same, to Michael Allen's style. Very nice, Dark Bro. Did you and Michael Allen just become best friends? Yep, we got ourselves a stepbrother moment, if I've ever seen one before. Dark Bro, absolutely appreciate that super chat there, man. And I really like the King Turkey, and hopefully you guys like the King Turkey. Afternoon, bros. Tony D, what's going on, Tony D? Glad to have you in here. Guys, let's check out some of these meme coins that we've been watching. Flip on over to Chrome for a second. Milady, a bromance. We got other subs, a little bromance going on between Michael and Dark Bro. I like it, Moji. Milady sitting at 1462 right now. It is continuing to trend slightly higher, 1461 at the moment. Not bad at all. Steady gains throughout the day today with a nice little bounce up to about 1665. Dude, 1665 from 1462. Like, that is still a decent move. When you're talking about going from 16 to 12, that's a 25% decrease, and that happens just over a couple of hours. And then it's back up like 10-15% over the next couple of hours. These coins are extremely volatile right now. When you're talking about 25 to 30% swings per day. I mean, my goodness. Milady moving, and it's still moving to the upside. We like that one right there. We'll take a look at PEPE. PEPE sitting at 1664, down 8.18% at the moment. Patrick! Dark bro cynicism. Dilly to you, Dark. Really? Patrick, man. Dude, I just filled that up. It's cold. It's crisp. Now that's some high quality H2O right there. Dang it, Patrick. Thank you very much for the super chat and the authorized hydration. 9,949 on the wall. 9,949. Fat man, thank you very much for that. It was delicious. You guys have no idea how good that water is when you do nothing but talk all day. I like it. Hey, Michael Allen came up with it. Just play with it for some time. Yeah, exactly. Dark bro. I like it, dude. Tim, how you doing? Timmy, what's going on? Tim, we were asking about you in the live stream earlier, man. Hopefully everything good with you. Give us an update, Tim. We want an update, man. The bros want to know if you're doing okay. Big Tim, almost swinging 30 to 40%. A pop. Oh, my gosh. Tim, is that true? Where do I go? Right here. Oh, boy. Elmo. Elmo ERC. It is sitting down 16.27% of the day today, and my goodness, dude, you're not joking. Didn't we just talk about this? Yeah, dude, we just talked about the fact that it could dip down. It dipped down to 0.14 and already back up. Like, look at this daily action here, man. It dips down to 0.13, 0.14, okay? And it's already back up to 2.1 cents. Nearly doubling in price just over the last couple of hours. Elmo, yes, is very volatile, guys. Elmo is very volatile. If you guys are interested in it, well, let's get started. Yeah, I don't know. That's a pretty crazy one right there if you guys are going to get that. I'm going to make it. Won't be pretty, won't be graceful, but I'll make it. There you go, Tim. I like it. Real Ben Bensel says, talk about LUNC. What would you like to know about Terraport Classic, man? Anything specific? I'm going to give you the kind of update that's going on, just extremely general right now. You've got that V2.0.1 or whatever it is. The Terraport Classic blockchain upgrade that is the first, I believe, of two steps or two upgrades to get us into parity with the other Cosmos coins. That is passing with about 99-point-something% yes votes right now, and overwhelming consensus is that will pass, and it's going to pass with flying colors. The other proposal to increase the burn tax from 0.1 or 0.2%, sorry, to 0.5%. That is also passing at the moment. I believe it's got about 2 days left before voting ends on that one. And fortunately or unfortunately, however you're looking at it, we could get a couple of those bigger validators to come in there. And the bigger validators could deny the fact that that passes by simply voting no. So that is currently passing at the moment, and what that's going to do is increase the burn tax from 0.2% to 0.5%. A lot of people think that this is terrible, it's going to kill Terraport Classic, oh my goodness. But go watch the video that I did this morning. There's not even enough decentralized exchange volume out there on Terraport Classic right now to even make a difference if you increase the burn tax to like 10%. So go watch that video if you didn't watch that video earlier this morning. Kind of puts into perspective everybody's idea of increasing the burn tax, whether or not it's a good idea, and so on. Hey bro, got pot like a cooking pot or pan just in case could save your life. I do, man. I do. I have plenty of pots down in the cupboard that I can cook whatever I want with, whenever I want with, and yeah, they're good pots. Good pots and pans, man. Hey bro, let's take a look at Mutant PEPE. I'm thinking about putting $15 in. That'll give me a little, oh my gosh, dude. $15 gets you 211 billion Mutant PEPE. Alright, let's check out Mutant PEPE really quick. Clicking on that, bring that back up. Elmo, yes, Elmo. Everybody loves Elmo. Mutant PEPE. Mutant Pepe is sitting down another 13.50% today at a $27,000 market cap. Extremely low market cap right now. Here's the thing, Dark Bro. This is definitely one of those riskier plays because since it came out, man, it has gone down and down and down and down and down and down. And it's, only one day really had a spike up. So if you put $15 in, man, be completely prepared to watch that $15 just continue to go down and down and down. But, look. Clearly, if anybody catches wind of this and they go in there and they begin to buy it, it is going to be very easy to manipulate and move the price of Mutant Pepe higher and higher and higher. And you could be seeing 1,000% gains on, I don't know, man, $10, $20, $100,000 worth of volume could really, really change the price of Mutant Pepe there. So if any of those trader groups catch wind of it and they begin to go in there and manipulate the price of this bad boy higher, then, you could be doing very well. But, looking at the graph does like to go down and doesn't necessarily like to go up. But, yeah, Mutant Pepe, man, a very, very small market cap. Gotta mention that the code audit found out that the Terraport hack was not a rug pull, and we're back in business. Interesting, Alex. I'm gonna have to look at that because Terraport, here's the thing, man. Terraport Finance or whatever even admitted, dude, that somebody on the team is the one that was going through all of these problems and causing the hack and doing this stuff. So, I don't like Terraport. You're not going to convince me otherwise. Even if we just chalk it up to negligence, man. Even if we chalk it up to negligence. It was like $2 or $3 million, dude, that people had invested in Terraport Finance there. The ticker symbol was Terra. And yeah, dude, it rug pulls. So even if it's not their malicious fault, it's an extreme negligence to allow people to lose millions of dollars. Dude, the best that they could do is just close up shop and open up under a different name. But I don't understand why people would put their money back into Terraport when it was at the minimum gross negligence that caused millions of dollars to disappear, man. Oh, this pot, I knew it. I do. I got plenty of pots. I got plenty of pans down there, dude. I've got a lot more pans than I do pots. I've got one very large pot that I love making popcorn in. I've got a couple, I would say like a sauce pot, saucepan or something that you could make some spaghetti in or something if you wanted to. And then a little one that I don't ever really use. And dude, I think those are like tiny ones are kind of useless. But yeah, I do have a couple pots down there, but I do have more pans than I do pots. Let's see. J-Bones! Moas! Never marrow. Oh my gosh, we need the Moas. Well, Moas, soon Moas, man. Soon Tomorrow is the Moas, J-Bones. If nobody told you yet, and tomorrow, I bet I could go out here to YouTube. I bet I could type in AMC. Gosh, dude. 5 hours ago, AMC acquisition is confirmed. AMC's being acquired. AMC's being acquired now. Jeez, dude. AMC's about to fly. It's nuts, man. My live stream, because it's got hashtag AMC in there. That's nuts. AMC stock is headed for this. Ooh, that'll leave you guessing, won't it? Market collapse. All right, we got to watch about that. Dude, New York Angelo still living on AMC there. AMC just did this. Very nice. We've got the unmasked investor now. Jeez, dude. I don't really know, man. Oh, well, it's apparently still tomorrow. I was looking at all the AMC videos there. It's apparently still tomorrow, man. The MOAS might actually be happening right now, dude. $15 most will go, and I can live with that. Well, there you go, Dark Bro. Federal Aviation Administration all over, J-Bones. I will agree all day with that. All day. From who I have spoke to regarding LUNC tax, it's the multiple transactions for DApps. If you raise it to 0.5% on average, they pay the tax 4 times, moving it to and from the chain. Yeah, you know what, Peter? And here's my, I guess, rebuttal to that. Okay, I completely get it, but right now, we don't have any decentralized exchange volume. We should be taxing anything and everything that we can at the moment. If people do build something, okay, and they either want whitelisted or they want to lower the tax after they build it, or we get to a point in time where things are moving from kind of meme territory over to utility, all we got to do is revote on the tax, man. That's all we got to do. If you look at the total numbers right now, only $50,000 over the last 24 hours went through decentralized exchanges. Increasing the tax 0.3% to 0.5% is only going to increase the entire burn pool by $150 on the day. It's actually a little bit less because 10% of the tax goes to the community pool, but it's only going to increase the amount taxed by $150 a day on that $50,000. Dude, you go over and you make a $100 transaction on Ethereum, you're paying $100 in gas fees. I mean, it's ridiculous. People are willing to pay the gas fees. It's just very strange to me that everybody acts like they're unwilling to pay gas fees. Look at it. Look at any volume on the Ethereum chain right now. People are obviously willing to pay. They're still transacting, and they're paying $40 in gas alone. For example, minimum market caps or specific contract terms. I know I missed something on that. Oh, Pat, Air Clay, is there a general criteria for central exchanges to list coins? You know what, Pat? I don't think so. Everything seems to be individual and everything seems to be like per exchange. So exchanges like Gate.io and MEXC Global, Bybit, these smaller exchanges, they honestly seem to be willing to list anything and everything. Now, I don't know if popularity plays a bigger role or market cap, but I do know that PEPE, it got listed on KuCoin and Crypto.com and Binance when it was approaching that $1 billion valuation. Now, obviously, I don't think that it has to just hit $1 billion cusp and then it gets listed, but I do think that they were a little bit more secure and a little bit more conservative since they waited until it was approaching that $1 billion mark. I don't think that they have come out and specifically said any of their listing requirements. I think that they just try their best to make sure that the coins that they're listing are not considered securities, that they pass the Howey test, and I guess that there's enough interest in them that it makes sense for them to list it. Because volume has to play a huge role. If people are trading it, and Binance knows that they can make 0.1% on every transaction, and there's, $10 million being traded. What's 1%? $100 million a day. If there's $1 billion a day being traded, and $1 billion were to be traded on Binance alone, dude, Binance would be walking away with $1 million. You know, if $100 million was being traded and it was a 1% fee, they'd be making $1 million. And since it's a 10% fee, you got to go with $1 billion being traded, and Binance is walking away with $1 million in trading fees. So I think that volume is going to play a big role, and popularity playing a big role in what these exchanges are willing to list there. So I think that's why PEPE got its Binance listing, but I don't know if they've all got like straight up criteria. Tiny pots for poaching eggs. Everybody needs a little tiny pot home. Okay, well, Tim, poaching eggs. That is what I thought it was like, for making syrup or something, man. If I wanted to go out there and boil up some berries and make a nice sauce, those things are so small, man. It's crazy. GME died a year, just sharing. It's been like watching 2022 all over again. Yeah, dude. It really has, man. And I don't want anything to die out. I want it all to live on. F you once, shame on AA. F you twice, shame on AA. There you go, emoji, man. Forget the AA. Nobody wants any of that. Am I right, guys? I think I'm right. You might be. You might think I'm right. When Juana returns, the MOS will happen. Dang it, man. Juana, if you're out there just listening right now, we do hope that one day you will return to the chat. Even if it's just to listen and not speak up. But Juana, we miss you very, very much. Dark Bro Hollandaise sauce is a pain in the butt to make, but a delicious, buttery pain in the butt. I have no idea what that sauce is, but it sounds very good. Never again, FAA. Yes, nobody likes the Federal Aviation Administration in here. Nobody does. For sure, Tim, it's time consuming, but the end result's worth it. Oh, man, I need to know what this sauce is. Pepe is leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Leaving on a jet plane, going somewhere. Don't know where, though. If that's a song, I have no idea what song it is, John J. The thing I find funny is that these exchanges were so quick to list Pepe, but they don't want to list XRP. Makes total sense, right? Well, I don't know what international Binance, does and does not have listed, but I do know that KuCoin does have XRP listed. I really don't think the international exchanges care what they list as much. It's the US exchanges. Coinbase, Crypto.com, Binance US, Kraken, some of these other exchanges that are exclusive to the US and under the US law. Obviously, they're not going to be keeping Ripple listed or listing Ripple until that lawsuit is settled in favor of Ripple. So I think that's the main concern right there and the reason they're not listing Ripple. But, you're right, dude. You're right. Ripple's a multi-billion-dollar coin. Has maintained multi-billion-dollar market caps for several years, even through the entire dip that it's been seeing because of the lawsuit. Ripple is a force to be reckoned with, man. They're scared. So if you want some Ripple, you got to go out to KuCoin and grab some Ripple there. Or are they looking at the fees from 1 billion plus? Yeah, Peter, that's kind of what I'm thinking, man. That's kind of what I'm thinking. And I don't know if they would necessarily list Pepe if it was just sitting on $1 billion market cap, but nobody was trading it. If it was only getting like $100,000 worth of volume a day, I don't see why they would care. What's the benefit for them by listing it? Unless, of course, there's massive demand and it's very, very, very difficult to get it, and therefore, they're going to come in and make it easier, and more people would buy it because there's a huge demand but extremely low supply. Well, then I think that they would list it. But no, that volume's got to play a part in it, man. That volume's got to play a part in it. They know that they can have a piece of that $1 billion. And if they're making $250,000 a day in trading volume alone, man, they're killing it. I mean, imagine that. You make $250,000 a day simply allowing people to buy and sell your coin. You're just charging a fee, man. You don't even have to risk your own capital, risk your own money. You're just allowing them to trade, and you're making $250,000 a day per coin. Forget about on your entire business. That is per coin. You got 100 coins listed. You're killing it. Let's see. I gotta try it. Yeah, Dark Bro, man. I really do have to try it because I don't know about it. Pooh, looking pretty good. Fruits and veggies. Let's check it out. Afternoon, bros. What's going on, Kenneth? I was an AA, one's FAA. Tim, man. I like it. Let's see. Bro Exchange. Actually, Bro Exchange would be pretty sweet, wouldn't it? I think Bro Exchange would be pretty sweet. No idea how to get an exchange going on either, though. Let's see. What is the catalyst to get the market going? It's been shorted and spoofed to death. This can't last forever. Hope everyone is doing well today. Johnstontown. Here's the thing, man. I don't know the exact catalyst that is going to be needed, or if there's one catalyst that's going to be needed. I will say this, okay? All the old guys out there and everybody who's been around, in the majority of the money right now, the majority of the money sitting in banks is making an easy 5%. And that might not sound like a lot. Everybody wants to make a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100% a year. But the majority of the money is sitting in a bank, money market or CD, making 5+%. That is excellent. When the S&P 500 average is 7%. So people are making that decision right now. Why would I risk my money for 7% when I can get a guaranteed 5%? When the interest rates go back down, that it's almost going to force people back into the stock market. Now, people are going to say, dude, what am I going to do with 1%? I don't want to sit here and make 1%. That's kind of dumb. I don't want to sit here and make 0.5%. I'm going to put my money back into the stock market. And when that happens, here's the thing. You're going to see a much larger increase in stocks than the 7% average. The end of a bear market and the beginning of a bull market, you've got excellent gains that come into the overall market because there's a mass exodus from banks and there's a massive inflow into stocks. So those beginning years, dude, they will be very nice watching that money leave banks where it accumulated and where there's more money now and flowing into the stock market because, now they're getting 3%, 2%, 1%, 0.5% of the bank, and it's useless. That will be almost a guaranteed catalyst to help the entire stock market gain value is when the interest rates begin to go back down. Click, Bruce Willis, Armageddon movie, leaving on a jet plane. Kenneth. Dang, man, Kenneth knows his stuff. I thought it was a song, but apparently it was not a song. It was Armageddon. Very nice. Kenneth, picking up on that one. Has anyone got a notification from public that they are putting a sell only on a loop ring? Nah, I don't. I may actually have a public account, but I don't have public on my phone or anything, so I did not get that. What is this? Hollandaise is delicious. You guys know all about this stuff, but I have no idea about it, man. I need to change my life. Been reading a lot about XRP. There's a lot of institutional money that has billions in XRP just being held for years. But if XRP wins, it's going to fly and be a major player for banks. Yeah, Tony D, I would actually agree with that, man. The major difference, if any cryptocurrency is going to be considered a security, it's going to be XRP. I mean, XRP in and of itself, you've got to admit this. XRP in and of itself is simply a means of transfer. It is and the SEC should know this. XRP is only what you use to transfer from blockchain to blockchain. Once you cash it back out, you're moving back into fiat currency. So just the simple fact that they are solely transferring XRP would, at its base, mean that XRP is not a security. It's barely even possible for you to argue that XRP alone is a security. Now, okay, here's where things get interesting. Because XRP was issued by a centralized entity, Ripple, and because they used the money that they raised from issuing XRP to increase their business practices, theoretically giving value to XRP because they are running a business, there are no shares, and you can invest it through the cryptocurrency, that's where things get a little gray right there. You don't have Bitcoin going out and running a business and having revenue and employees and everything like Ripple. You don't have Ethereum doing the same thing. You don't have any of these meme coins doing the same thing. It does get a little sticky right there. So if any cryptocurrency is going to be considered a security, it will be Ripple. If Ripple wins against the SEC, Dude, good luck to the SEC. They should close up. They should, honestly, they should stake their reputation on it. Gary Gensler should come out and say, if we don't win the XRP case, we're closing up shop here in the United States. We're shutting down, and you guys can live your markets because, yeah, there's no other cryptocurrency that would be considered a security if XRP is not considered a security. Let's see. Oh, excuse me. The safety button. Sorry, I know I missed it. First thing we need to know is where's the rug pull button. Gosh, man. Where's that? If I knew where the rug pull button was, I think we'd all be rich. The SEC is the Karen of the financial system. That they are, Dark Bro. Dark Bro, I volunteer to be the Bro Exchange fall guy. I'll go on all the news interviews and say, I don't know. And my hair is crazier than SVF's. Tim, perfect, man. Dang, we got ourselves a fall guy. We got ourselves the name of the exchange. This is getting good, man. This is getting good. And nobody, Tim, I don't know if you're in a wheelchair right now or not, but nobody can mess with a dude in a wheelchair. It's like facts of life, man. You can't get on the guy it's in a wheelchair. So Tim might be perfect right now. Even they can't stoop to Gary levels. Perhaps they are Janets. They might be Janets, but I don't know what they. Is there a difference between a Karen and a Janet? 5 byte XRP on KuCoin. How do I cash out? Was trying to set up my KuCoin, and I can only fund with crypto. So if I wanted to sell, yes. So Tony D, man, it is true. Okay, you cannot fund your KuCoin account with money. I mean, with dollars. Why? And I just want everybody to be clear on this because I don't want you to, I don't want anybody to ever think that I'm promoting an exchange that does not have the proper U.S. licenses and stuff. Think of KuCoin like a decentralized exchange, okay? KuCoin does not have all of the license required to allow fiat deposits onto their platform. You can, however, deposit any cryptocurrency you want that is listed on KuCoin. You can go through, get your deposit address, and deposit Ethereum. You can deposit Ripple or XRP if you had some. You can deposit USDT. Whatever crypto you have, you can deposit onto the KuCoin platform. Let's say you want to buy Ripple. All you do is there's a lot of trading pairs on there. I don't know what all trading pairs Ripple has or XRP has. But let's just say that you deposit some Ethereum. All you're going to do is convert your Ethereum to USDT. No fee. They don't charge a fee for you to convert. You convert your Ethereum to USDT, and then you buy your Ripple or, trade USDT for Ripple. So let's say you got $100 worth of Ethereum. You convert that to $100 worth of USDT or Tether. And then you trade your $100 worth of Tether for $100 worth of Ripple, XRP. At that point, if you wanted to take it off of KuCoin's exchange, you could go ahead and simply withdraw to a cold storage wallet or whatever you wanted to do. If you were trading, okay, let's say you actually went out there, traded, or you set up a robot and you ended up making $1,000 trading Ripple. Well, at that point, yes, if you want to cash it out, you're either going to trade it back for USDT, you're going to trade it for Ethereum, whatever coin you want at that point. And you could either trade it directly to your Coinbase wallet, or you could trade it to your Trust wallet or whatever, and then move it over to whatever exchange you wanted to. A Crypto.com exchange, a Coinbase exchange, Kraken exchange. Whatever exchange allows you to cash out here in the United States or whatever country you guys are trading from, then you would obviously swap for something that website allows you to, or that app allows you to cash out. So it is a couple exchanges that you got to jump through, but just think about KuCoin like a decentralized exchange. It is centralized. But, since you can't make deposits and withdrawals on it or anything like that, if you're a U.S. user, kind of give it a decentralized approach there. Saw you on the camera? Wasn't me. Saw you on the sofa? Wasn't me. Saw me in the shower? Wasn't me. We got a little old Shaggy there, right? Dun 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 dun. Yeah, I know that one, John Jay. I know that one. New phone, who dis? What's going on? Just say it wasn't you. All the ways, man. That's all you gotta do. Awesome. Hey, Damsel. Very good. Danelle here. Danelle was here. I don't know. Damsel in distress. Who the heck is Damsel in distress? Is that Danelle? Oh, Damsel in distress is Danelle. Gotcha. I'm like, what is going on, man? Who is this damsel in distress? And how do you guys all know this, but I don't know this? Hey, damsel. Damsel in distress. What's going on, damsel? Where are we going here? Dark Bro. I like the part when he's chasing him around the rig with a shotgun. Are we talking Armageddon still? Are we talking about something else? Got denied trying to swap for some SUI. Slug, man. You got denied trying to swap on KuCoin. Or where were you trying to swap at, man? Thanks so much for that explanation. Hey, hopefully it made sense, Tony D, because I know there was a lot in that. But, yeah, you just got to move it from, one wallet over to KuCoin, trade whatever you want on KuCoin, and move it back over to whatever wallet you want to exchange from. Yeah. Moji, how did you know? I have no idea. I'm psycho, or psychic, psycher, whatever. He's psyched something. He's psyched up. That's what he is. He's psyched up. It was a song, but they did sing it in the movie. It was sang by John Denver back in the 70s. What the heck? Kenneth knows way too much, man. Kenneth knows way too much about movie and music history. What? Yes? Juicin'? Slugger on KuCoin? Juicing? I don't even know what's going on right now. Made a dumb decision last year and sold my pew-pews, and unfortunately I can't get them back now since the Washington state government is a whack job. Yeah, dude, a lot of governments seem to be going in the direction of wacko. So, Dark Bro, I have no idea, but isn't that, I don't know about the laws, dude. Isn't that kind of illegal to not let you buy a gun? I don't know, man. KuCoin. All right, KuCoin. I was like, juicing, man. What is juicing? KuCoin. Interesting. What did it say when it wouldn't let you swap for some SUI, man? What did it say? Because I know they got that listed on there. Hey, you said you're going to talk to me about Milady Supply. Giovanni, that I did, man. Look at this dude bringing this stuff back up. How did he remember? I'm telling you, dude. I didn't even remember about that, so glad you reminded me. Let's take a look at Milady real quick. You know what? I don't know. Alright, so the max supply of Milady, for some reason, is, what is this? Billion, 888 trillion, 888 million, 888. Very interesting max and total supply that I've not seen before. All right. Now, I believe Giovanni's question was, do I think that supply is going to cause interest and make people want to buy it? In and of itself, no, not necessarily. So I know that 888 or 8's repeating like that is like some sort of a prosperous number or like an infinite number, or it's something beneficial, right? When you see 3 8s like that, I don't know, man. I don't believe in numerology like that that says that this number is going to be the best thing ever and your life's going to be great. Some people do, okay? Some people do. So there is a chance, yes, that those that believe in numerology like that, or whatever you call it, that says the 888 is going to be a good sign, they may be willing to buy Milady because of that. Now, are they combined going to have enough money to drive the price up from a $100 million market cap? I would be skeptical that that's the situation. So that's why I say in and of itself, I don't think so. Now, where is that supply held? I don't actually know where the supply is held or what the tokenomics look like. So they set 94 to the liquidity pool. They've got 5% for the ecosystem growth. And I thought this said bribes for a second. I was going to start cracking up. 5% supply is being held in a multi-sig wallet only to be used as tokens for future centralized exchange listings, bridges, and liquidity pools. The wallet is easily trackable with the name milladymeme.eth. Alright, great. They are sitting on $5 million worth of ecosystem growth tokens, which they can spend on getting centralized exchange listings and so on. And this one here was interesting. 1% of the supply was airdropped to all PEPE and Milady NFT holders. I think that's pretty cool that they got people interested in Milady by airdropping them the coins that way. So knowing that they're not sitting on a massive amount that they're going to be able to burn or anything like that, I would be skeptical that, the supply in and of itself, with still being massive, man. I mean, 888 trillion is more coins than Shiba Inu coin has outstanding right now. It's 100 times more coins than Terra Luna Classic has outstanding. So it is a very large number. I like the number, but I don't think in and of itself it's going to create the hype. Let's see. Stuffed best background check, but they believe in pew-pews here. Yeah, dude. If you pass a background check, there you go. You should be good to go. Let's see. I hope this new dude gets elected because he has a brain. Well, dude, I like the people with brains when they get elected. Mrs. Streams and all of you. A damsel in distress. I think I speak for everybody. If not, you can chime in, absolutely. But we all missed you as well. Damsel in distress. We're glad to have you back. And I'm either going to call you Distress or call you Damsel. Damsel in Distress is a lot. So, Distress, Damsel, thank you for being back in the streams. Kenneth, be attentive and create your own, not financial advice, not firearms advice. How the heck do you make your own gun, dude? What the heck? All right, Tim knows a little bit too much, man. Tim knows a little too much. Took every gun course and safety class they had available, and you think you have the authority to tell me I can't have one. Oh, jeez, pass that this way. What you got, man? This is why I don't own any pews, nor do I have any knowledge, personal defense, or self-sufficiency. I'm completely confident that my government keeps it... Dude. You know how when some stuff it rolls off your tongue, like when I talk about Gary Gensler and it makes me want to vomit? Dude, that was so salty coming out of my mouth saying that. Emma, I loved it. That tasted so salty coming out. It was, yeah, I could feel it. I could feel it. I could taste the salt there. Very, very nice. Emma, I liked it. What is Claybro's best go-to dance move? Is it Staying Alive Disco, Stanky Leg, Shopping Cart, Washing Machine? We all know you got the Macarena down. Asking for a friend. You know what? That is funny. If I had to pick like a go-to dance move, yes, I do like the Staying Alive, the disco thing. But dude, just a little hip action, maybe like a what's the best way to put that? Like a pathetic version of the twist, like a pathetic version of the twist, man. Just keep the arms tucked in a little bit like that, get a little hip action going with a little sway side to side. I think that might be the way to go, John Jay. Let's go pathetic version of the twist would be the go-to dance move there, dude. Get a little shake in the hips, get the arms tucked in, just swaying back. I think that might be the way to do it. Dark bro. Oh, crypto. Dark bros Lambo. Clay's money portfolio. Fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, baby. Michael Allen, the most consistent player in the game, ladies and gentlemen. Michael, thank you very much. Oh, and I gotta say this, guys. I don't know if you've watched it already, but I watched Air. On Amazon Prime, and yelling Michael Allen like that reminded me of Michael Jordan. You guys gotta watch Air if you haven't watched it already. I thought that was a pretty cool show, man, and I did not know all of those statistics. I'm not gonna ruin anything for you by telling you the statistics and like telling you about Nike back then and all that stuff, but yeah, that is a very interesting show, And I thought it was really cool. So you guys, yeah, you guys should definitely watch Air if you haven't done so already. Where we going? Thank you, Clay. Damsel, absolutely. I am a master machinist. I can make any. That's true, dude. That's true. I guess Dark Bro might be able to 3D print one. I'm sitting here thinking, like, what would I do in that situation? Obviously nothing. Patrick! Thank you very much for the Super Chat. Patrick says, Emma, don't forget to mention that there are also the best stewards of our tax money. Yes, golly bum, man. You guys, that's the vinegar, Emma. That's the vinegar right there. I tasted the salt with you, man, and I am now tasting the vinegar. And it's not a good salt and vinegar chip. Those are delicious. The nonsense that you guys are spewing out right now is ridiculous in my mouth. Patrick, absolutely, man. And we've got 9,948 remaining. We trust the government for our protection. We trust the government to lead us. And we trust the government to efficiently spend all of the money that we give them. I'm going to throw up after the stream is over with, so hopefully you guys don't get to see that. Training with SWAT members was a great experience. FBI training was a plus. Mr. Brian, that actually sounds pretty cool, dude. Anybody buy any Papa or Kiki? Papa got wrecked and Kiki holding. Oh, let's look at Papa. No, I don't have any Papa, but I actually was interested in getting some, so let's see how wrecked Papa got here, because we have not looked at it in a while. Come on. Papa. Yeah, Papa coming down pretty heavy there. Papa's sitting at about a $500,000 market cap right now. Pretty low volume, $679,000 market cap. Over the last 7 days, been sitting steady. Doesn't seem like it's got a ton of interest right now. Coming back down, guys, to the lows that it has seen since being listed on CoinMarketCap here. Tapping these levels around around a 392 price. It's currently twice as high as that. So the lowest it's seen, maybe about a $300,000 to $400,000 market cap. And it's currently sitting at a $600,000 market cap. So, yeah, Papa getting hit pretty hard. Now, I don't know if I knew what Kiki was. What is Kiki here? Sitting at a $10 million market cap. Yeah, over the last day, pretty steady there. Coming back a little bit over the last 7 days. But, yeah, over the last month, it has been sitting slightly higher than where it's been, but not much movement in Kiki here. Whatever this one is called. That's actually not one. Have we looked at that one before? I don't even know. I think we've looked at that one before, but I'm not exactly sure. Michael Allen, man. Ooh. Stand alive. Stand alive. Oh, fist bump it, Michael. Fist bump it, man. Thank you very much for the beautiful dance. Absolutely appreciate that one. And hopefully you guys have some fun with that and dance as well. Patrick, thank you very much for the Super Chat. Pat says, sorry, Clay. What did he say? Here's some, what? Prilosec for you. I think that is, thank you. I think thank you is much needed. 9,947 to go. That water, you guys have no idea. I got like the highest quality H2O in town, man. In town. For some reason, it's still cold. I brought it up slightly before the live stream, filled it up from the refrigerator. It is still cold, and it is absolutely crisp, man. It tastes delicious, and it does not taste like a set of keys. The water is done tasting like a set of keys, so I don't know why that lasted like 2 days like it did, but good to go now. It's not getting low if it's hard. It's getting back up. That's the tricky part. There you go. What happened to Tonic? Pudgy, what did happen to Tectonic, man? Not a lot of people have been talking about Tectonic, and I don't know if I blame it on memes. I don't know if I blame it on the regulation. But Tectonic has just been sitting very steady for, why can't I see a 3-month graph anymore? Where did my 3-month graph go? Tectonic been sitting very steady in the 17 to 1800 point per coin range right here. And, yeah, I don't know. We've got, obviously, there's some support back here from a year ago. Some support here from back in July and August of 2022. Support back here from October of 2022. Broke through it, ran nicely, but then it's been testing that support level for like the last 5 months now, man, because we ran at the beginning of 2023, and now we've been testing that support line once again. So I don't know why Tectonic ran out of steam. It's only doing $159,000 a day in volume, but it seems like the stagnation wasn't really because of the time, because we didn't have meme coins at the beginning of 2023 when it stalled out. We didn't get the meme coins till this month. So I don't know what happened to Tectonic, Pudgy. I just know that it stalled out a little bit and hasn't been able to hit a decent gaining streak for a while. Shrooms AI. Do you guys come up with these real coins, man? Is Shrooms AI a coin? It is a coin, man. Shrooms, oh god. Shrooms AI, ladies and gentlemen. Shrooms AI. Right here. 525% gain in the last 24 hours. Somehow $10 million, almost $11 million traded in the last 24 hours. The supply here, very similar to Milady, 888, 888, 888, 888, 888. 100% of the supply is released. That's good news. But this bad boy's been out, what, a day? Yeah, this guy's been out a day. So, look, I don't know. Shrooms obviously rolling. Okay, people are loving it right now. But, yeah. I mean, this is how it catches on. This is how it gains like this, or what's going to make it catch on. I don't know. You're the first person that's mentioned shrooms to me, so it's first I've seen of it, first I've heard of it. I don't know how popular it's going to be. I just know a lot of people seem to be trading the crap out of it right now with $11 million volume on a $3 million market cap. Let's see. Hit like got their ear bit off something. Tim like out of the park. Oh, gotcha. We're talking about hitting it out of the park and is getting hit. Hit like out of the park or like Mike Tyson. Gotcha. Wait, how do you airdrop coins? And if you airdrop, do you pay? Actually, I have no idea who pays the gas fee. It might be like when you mint an NFT. I do not know how to set up airdrops, but it most likely would be like minting an NFT or something that, yes, you would pay the gas fees in order to receive those coins. But I actually do not know how that works. If the smart contract that goes out there just allows you to claim it, because from what I've seen, a lot of these airdrops need to be claimed, and that's why a lot of the scams surrounding PEPE want you to go out there and claim your airdrop. Okay, they're trying to convince you that you've got $700 or $900 in PEPE coins just sitting out there waiting for you to claim. And then, of course, claiming it, you're either going to be sending your cryptocurrency somewhere, paying the gas fees, and getting some whack coin in your wallet that's going to scam you, or what the deal is. So, yes, I think that in order to do an airdrop, you have to claim it, and therefore you would be paying the fees on that. I think it would be slightly different than if I just sent, like if I sent coins to your wallet. Obviously, I would be paying the gas fees on that. But I think that you got to claim an airdrop is what they want. Tonic Saw, because Clairo doesn't post about it. Dang it, Tim! I knew the problem was mine, man. Hey, Mo, quick question: do you know anything about Ed McMahon, like a guy that gave things away. Not me. Let's see. I remember Ed. Let's see something. Kai. Did he ever give away big checks? Okay, I know I'm missing something. You guys help Emma D out. How many Shiba Inu coins do you have, Clay? Lith 88 euro. I have not bought any Shiba Inu coin in a very long time. Unfortunately, I don't necessarily talk about the amount of coins that I'm holding or anything like that. So, yeah, I don't want to get into exactly how many I'm holding, just because I don't want to encourage anybody to go out there and buy any more, buy any less, or anything like that. So, fortunately, unfortunately, however you want to look at it, I'm very sorry we don't discuss actual amounts. I told Clay about the shrooms last year. Don't let him lie. Not about Shrooms AI, Michael. Maybe about some other shrooms, but not about Shrooms AI. Don't forget to click that likey button. Yes, listen to Damsel and clicky that likey. Please, guys, 37 people in here. It has been a very long time, and I know we're not going to get it on this stream, but please don't forget to click the like button because it has been a very, very long time since we have had 100 likes. I'm talking it might have been like 6 months since we've had 100 likes on a live stream. So click the like button. Moji! Thank you very much, Moji, for the super chat. A pretty little black cat super chat. Moji, man, thank you very much for that. And I believe that one probably went out to Damsel. Moji, man, thank you. Shiba Leash is about $318 per coin. What's your thoughts about the usefulness of it? Mr. Brian, I don't have or plan on owning any leash. Now, I do think that it is going to be useful if and only if you want priority access to anything the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem releases. So, when you were buying your Shiba Inu coin lands, you had to have a leash if you wanted to get the first dibs on those NFTs for the Shib the Metaverse. I believe you needed to own leash in order to have first dibs on Shiboshis. Now, if I remember correctly, Shiboshis sold out very quick. Leash would have come in handy. As in terms of the metaverse, obviously you could still go buy metaverse lands right now, and you could probably buy metaverse lands trading for less than the mint price. So, is it necessary during a bear market? No. Would leash be necessary if you wanted to participate during the next bull market rally or during the next FOMO event? Yeah, if they coincided some sort of a release as Shiba Inu coin was ripping in popularity again, then you might want to add, one leash or whatever would be required at that point to your portfolio just so you could have that exclusive access. I don't necessarily care to fill the pockets of the ecosystem team, so I don't necessarily care to jump in on any of their NFT sales or stuff like that. So I'm going to say for me, no, it's not necessary. For you, if you want to cut the line and have that Cedar Point Fast Pass, then yes, it would be necessary for you. Let's see. Timmy! Thank you very much for throwing a green name out there. And Arubasu! Grabbing that green name. Aru, man, if you were in here right now, please show a thank you to Tim. I know that Aru is one of the more active members, and Aru actually posts a lot on, leaves a lot of comments on the Terraport Classic videos. So, Aru, very nice, grabbing that green name. Absolutely appreciated, Tim. Thank you very much for giving that green name. And everybody give Tim a little shout out, man, for throwing another bro into the chat. Shrooms AI is a choose-your-own-adventure story coin. Interesting, Meltdown Island. What are the stories like children appropriate, or the story's kind of like, well, you're taking some shrooms here and it's getting weird. Damsel, some of us remember it that way. It's a Mandela effect. Apparently that never happened. Let's see. Emma D didn't need delivery checks for Publisher Clearinghouse sweepstakes. Something. Maybe. Apparently it didn't ever have you. Man, that's crazy. You know, I think I heard of that before. But I don't know. I wouldn't have known one way or another how I buy this drug AI coin. Michael, I have no idea. It is, well, we can look at it real quick if you want to look at it. If you want to buy this Shrooms AI, you got to come out to Uniswap, man. Only available on Uniswap right now. All right, 100% of the volume is coming from Uniswap. It's not listed anywhere but Uniswap. Please know that it is a risk to buy it on Uniswap because it's been out for a day and nobody knows if this coin is going to rug or drug or anything else for that matter. Please be careful, but nonetheless, you guys are allowed to buy whatever the heck you want to buy with your money. You have to own everything but Shib. It's true, man. You gotta own Bone. You gotta own a Shiboshi to play in the Shiba Eternity burn to earn or play to earn game. You gotta own Leash to have priority access. You just don't need any Shiba Inu coin. What do you know about that, Tim? What do you know about that? Let's see. What we got? Uniswap to the rescue. Yes, Slugger Slug. Mallstar, we sent some good. Guys, it is. I don't even know how it happened already. It's already 5:01. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to be doing some shout outs, and then we will be back tonight with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Please watch the videos twice, man. Views are really low right now. The bear market's taking a beating to everybody out there. So thank you guys in advance for clicking that like button, leaving a comment, and watching the videos twice. Shout out to Damsel. Tim, man, see you later. Dark Bro, peace out to you. Michael, later, bro. Tim, enjoy your day. Going to cry. Tim, I don't know how you're cutting your lawn after an accident like that, but good luck to you, my friend. Damsel, enjoy it. Moji, Tim, Damsel, Meltdown Island, see you later. Emma D, Slugger Slug, we got Tim, Michael Allen, Emoji, Meltdown Island. Tim, love y'all, Clear Bro fam, be good, be safe, all that good stuff. Thank you very much. I don't know if Pat's still in here, man. Pat, thank you very much for today. We've got Tony D, man. Boom, peace out to you. Anybody and everybody in here. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. That was a very close, Dark Bro. I was literally about to click on emoji. Oh my goodness, Dark Bro. You are just skating by on that one, man. Dark Bro, you tilt the head back a little bit. You lick that banana. And you stick that banana. You got to maintain the eye contact the entire time. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love it. I'm telling you, that was a very close one. See you later, Slugger Slug. See you later, Moji. Dark Bro, thank you very much. Peace out to you, Pat, Mr. Brian, Damsel, Moji, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.